I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna keep the video short and I'm gonna try to help you guys individually one by one on the comments. And in this video I'm gonna go over and tell you guys about the BIOS password removal. Keep asking me how to remove the password for the BIOS for the Dell laptop. It's really easy, it's not hard. You don't have to open up the laptop to do some hot wiring or anything like that. And this works for any Dell laptop. If you bought it from somebody else that put a really hard password or anything like that, all you need to do is to power on the laptop whenever it says, when you want to go to the BIOS, and sometimes when you go to the BIOS, it allows you to go, but there's a lock icon right on top. You click unlock, and it will give you enter the password for the admin password. But they're always supposed to give you a serial number and some kind of hash code. We call them hash code. And I can, as long as you guys give me this hash code and tell me it's from their laptop hash code, I can generate you a master password that you can put in here to bypass the admin password and reset it. Sometimes it comes up in a different format. Right now it's coming in a user interface format with a UI. Sometimes it comes in a black screen, so it all depends. But it doesn't matter what format you get it, you're supposed to get some sort of hash code. As long as you get this hash code, I will be able to help you on the comment area. So please, in the comment area, make it really simple. Just put the Dell and the hash code, and that's it. I will respond to you guys with a master key. That master key only works for you for that specific serial number or hash code. If you have any other questions or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to help you guys as much as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.